Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. My name is Connor. In this video, I'll be going over 5 meme coins on the Ethereum blockchain that I ultimately see doing really well this year in terms of price performance. Now look, let's not beat around the bush. I understand that the market is in shambles right now, along with sentiment and people's emotions. Many people feel like giving up with the altcoin prices and the altcoin market in general we are seeing right now. However, I do ultimately believe that we will trade higher this year, especially on altcoins. Anyways, let's get into the video. So at the current moment in time, Bitcoin is trading for above $100,000 still, currently trading at $100,994, and Ethereum is trading at $31.55. Solana has lost $220. And it's trading for $217 at the moment. Now, like I said, the market is really in shambles. Every single altcoin seeing major declines. The majors, the memes, everything in between getting purged at the moment. Now, if you look at the Bitcoin chart again, price is still above 100K. And 100K is still the most important level on the chart on all time frames, essentially, $100,000 for Bitcoin. It is getting somewhat heavy at the 100K support level. So, I mean, look, there's a decent chance it rolls over here. And if it was to roll over, you can expect a test of the 2025 yearly open. And currently that lies at $93,500. If 100K is lost, we are going back to the yearly open. It is as simple as that. And look, that won't bode well for altcoins. Now, in terms of Ethereum has been underperforming all cycle long since the bottom in 2022. It bottomed out at around $1,000. It's currently trading at $31.73, so a 3x from the bottom, give or take. However, it's still been massively underperforming Bitcoin and Solana this cycle. Now, in terms of the Ethereum chart, it is currently sitting directly on the daily 200 EMA here, which is at 31.38. And ultimately, in order for altcoins to go up in general, Ethereum needs to essentially perform well. All right, we won't get an altcoin season until Bitcoin dominance drops 1. I'll show you that real quick. It's around 60% at the moment, 59.4%. And after looking like a potential top, it is rebounding right back up again. However, around this 60% level, I still am expecting Bitcoin dominance to actually roll over and head back to the 40% levels, which is going to give us that altcoin season. And then one last thing before we get into these 5 meme coins, because I know that's what you guys are here for. I want to show you the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. Again, this chart is in a weekly, it's in a long standing, very key higher time frame demand level at 3 million Satoshis per Ethereum. Good chance this ends up being the bottom for ETH versus BTC. If it is and we rally out of here, well, that is going to be really bullish for altcoins. If this cannot hold, well, ultimately, we're going to go lower to 2.5 million Satoshis per Ethereum, and we simply don't want to see that. That would essentially be bear market things. But nonetheless, still decent chance that this plays out for ETH. And if this is the bottom on Ethereum versus Bitcoin, then that altcoin season is more likely going to come sooner rather than later. But anyways, when Ethereum versus Bitcoin starts to pump, Ethereum starts to pump as well. That is when Ethereum meme coins are going to pump as well. All right, they're going to explode at this point in time, and I think it will happen in 2025. So let's get into these 5 meme coins. Coin number 1, I'm going to go over these coins in descending market cap order. So from the highest market cap to the lowest market cap. Not necessarily in order of how bullish I am on the coin, so keep that in mind and use your own viewer discretion. This is not financial advice. Coin number 1 for the video is going to be SPX 6900. All right, this is a high market cap. It is currently trading at a $993 million market cap. It has lost that $1 billion market cap level. Current price is $1.07. So this meme coin really became famous after Murad gave his talk at Token 2049 in Singapore in September of 2024. I'll show you the chart, and as you can see, in late September, after being flatlined for basically a full year, because this thing came out in 2023, it did nothing all year long, and then in September of 2024, Murad gave his talk at Token 2049, and this thing actually rose from less than a penny, essentially, or around 1 penny, all the way up to a high of $1.60, a $1.6 billion market cap. Insane price rise. Now the thing is, Murad has his target for this cycle at 100 billion for SPX. That would be a 100x from current price. Now I do not believe you are going to see a $100 billion market cap, but I do still think you're going to see at least a few multiples further on this thing after the dust settles and the market, the altcoin market in general, does find a bottom. So the meme here is it's called SPX, and the goal is to flip the stock market in terms of value. All right. And there is no chart. They say you need to believe in it flipping the stock market. There's a lot of lore around this coin. It has a cult, diehard community of people. Murad is involved. This is his top #1 pick. Anyways, this meme coin has a lot of history, a lot of cult-like members involved in it. And it does have staying power for these reasons. Massive following on social media as well, with 80,000 followers. But anyways, it's a meme coin, okay? The goal is to flip the stock market. And, they say that the girl is cute that they show in these anime schizo videos that they post as bullish propaganda for their coin. All right, so anyways, this is coin #1. Now, what do I see happening here with this? Well, it is putting in a double top essentially, and it's coming back down to its critical support. Now, given that every altcoin, like every single altcoin, has just been unable to hold any form of support level, I don't expect this to hold on SPX, okay? I do think it will come back inside of this range that it traded in from October to around January 1st. I do see it coming back down below 90 cents. Ultimately, I would be looking for this thing to come and find some sort of support or bottom around the 60-cent level. All right, back down here all the way at this support at around 60 cents, a 600 billion market cap. This would be a good price for this coin. All things considered, still kind of overvalued because let's be real, this thing was trading for a penny, went to $1.60. However, if it's going to keep momentum in this bull market, well, then around a 600 million market cap, 60 cents is more likely than not going to be a great price to buy this. And from there, you would like to see, again, Ethereum bottom, Bitcoin dominance top out, and this thing rally to new highs. But anyways, that's coin #1 for the video, SPX 6900. 990 million market cap at the moment. A lot going for it, but every altcoin can't hold support, so I don't know if this will. If it doesn't, I would be looking for, again, 60 cents. That's coin #1. Let's move on to coin #2. Coin #2 is another Murad meme coin on his list. Another all these meme coins, they're not some new thing. They've actually all been around for a while. Anyways, the next one in this video is going to be Harry Potter Obama Sonic 10 Inu, or ticker Bitcoin, currently trading for 12.7 cents with a $127 million market cap. All right, this is another one of Murad's top picks that he includes in his cult meme coin list and most bullish meme coins for the cycle. Anyways, currently 127 mil market cap. This is another, again, cult coin, meme coin, been around since 2023. And they also have an NFT collection called the Bitcoin Sprotos attached to it. It kind of looks like the Sonic character here, but they all look a little bit different. This is what they look like, the NFTs. But yeah, there's a huge cult behind this project, and it's been around for a long time. It's continuing to get brought up in conversation when meme coins are talked about, so it does have that mind share, and you can call it staying power as well to remain relevant, even in this crypto world where 10,000 new meme coins are created every single day. Everyone knows ticker Bitcoin. Well, it does look like their X account has been suspended, which is not a great look at the current moment in time. We'll see what happens with this, and we'll see if it does get re-implemented. Right, if you click on the Twitter link from CoinGecko, it will take you to their suspended X account. But anyways, they had a big following on Twitter or X, but it looks like their account got suspended. I think that just happened, actually. So anyways, ticker Bitcoin still making the list. Another Murad list coin. And again, all of these charts are unable to hold any levels of support at the moment. And let's just go grab the contract address because there is a lot of ticker Bitcoins on deck screener. Let's make sure we pull up the correct one. And let's also make sure we get the correct liquidity pool here. So it does appear that price has continued to drop further. Here's the 1 hour time frame chart. In the past 2 hours, this thing is sinking and losing all support levels, down another 13% in the past hour alone. So actually the current market cap is 100 million, 108 million, 10.8 cents. Now, again, all these altcoins unable to hold any levels of support. This thing on a complete free fall right now, back down to its previous 1 year or 2 year range essentially. And yeah, this thing is, back down. It looks like it wants to come to 7 cents. All right, so for ticker Bitcoin, I would be looking for 7 cents at this rate, really 7 to 8 cents if we want to use this entire demand zone. But again, it's not like this coin in particular is the only one suffering. Every chart we look at, we can look at any altcoin chart in general, and they're all getting smoked at the moment. So anyways, I look for ticker Bitcoin to come down to 6.7 cents around 7 to 8 cents. Strong support level down there, and likely will find some kind of bottom around those levels. But that's coin number 2 for the video, and a real-time depiction of the state of the market. I mean, every altcoin is just getting smoked at the moment. Anyways, let's move on to coin number 3. Coin number 3 is going to be, guess what? Another Murad meme coin. But this one's special. This one's Apu. Apustasia. Now, Apu is another meme coin that's been around for quite a bit of time. Right? We can see over here on CoinGecko, it's actually been around from March of 2024. So it's approaching almost 1 year old now. It's around 11 months old. So again, not something brand new that popped up yesterday. This one has been around. Anyways, Apu, big following on social media as well. They got Conor McGregor to talk about them at a Bare Knuckle Fight Club Championship event in Spain, I believe, not too long ago. So they pay for marketing. They have a lot of mind share. It looks like a really well-connected team. But in general, another coin on Murad's list, another original internet meme. And again, when Ethereum begins to do well, ultimately I think it will happen in 2025, we're going to see the ETH meme coins, the original ones, do well too. Apu is definitely going to get a positive effect from the Ethereum pump that is likely to happen at some point in time this year. So anyways, yes, the chart, again, looks abysmal. Every altcoin chart you look at, no matter what it is, looks abysmal right now. This is really some pretty insane stuff we're seeing. But actually, it makes sense, okay? Because we basically had a washout after a crazy run last March 2024. Now we had an insane run again, albeit it was very niche specific, hyper narrative, like AI agents and, trash Solana meme coins. But they still went crazy and sucked all the liquidity. And then the Melania coin and the Trump coin was basically the local top. And anyways, after that, everything is getting flushed out. Anyone who has remained risk on is getting wiped out. And no altcoin can hold any levels of support. So for Apu now, it's essentially back down to its 2024 summertime lows. And this is big support down here. This is still actually a 50% drop to the bottom of this support level. As crazy as that may sound, it can still go down another 46% potentially. Now, look, I do think this thing has the scope to reach 750 mil to potentially 1 billion plus market cap and beyond this cycle. It's currently 108 million. So, you're looking at a potential 10x or so from these prices. It's very scary to be a buyer down here, right? When it feels like you should buy, that's usually when things are going really well and you get FOMO. When it feels like you shouldn't buy, that's usually when things are not going well at all and you're scared because you think it's going to drop lower. We're in that point in time where so many people are just scared. So many people have been, wrecked. So yeah, a lot of people are just scared to be buyers. But if you listen to Warren Buffett's age-old quote, "Be greedy when others are fearful," you would see these as opportunity prices. And you would also clearly see that price is currently on kind of a long-standing support resistance flip level as well, over here at 0.003 cents. All right, so potentially another 40% or so decline to the bottom support, but you have to understand you're currently actually at the range high of that summer accumulation and also this previous support level from June 2024 at current price. Okay, so from here to current current price to 40% lower, this is all actually a buy zone for Apu. And when Ethereum does well, I would expect Apu to do well too. All right. So let's move on now to our fourth coin of the video. Again, we're going through these in descending market cap order, not necessarily in order of bullishness or bearishness. But speaking of bears, coin number 4 for the video is going to be Bobo the bear. All right, Bobo right now is trading at a $36.2 million market cap. Again, wipeouts across the board. It's just bloodshed. It's really crazy to see. Anyways, yeah, Bobo, another OG 4chan meme. Bobo the bear, right? Pepe is for green markets. Bobo is for red markets. I've made several videos on Bobo before, and despite the current market conditions, I do still think it's going to have another run and give multiples in terms of gains for anyone who is willing to stick with it and not capitulate. Most likely the bottom currently. But anyways, yeah, Bobo, kind of similar to Apu in the sense it's one of those OG internet memes used on internet forums for a long time, used on crypto Twitter for a long time. And in terms of the Bobo coin, the creator as well, Rekt Kashi, he is the original artist of the meme too. So all that stuff is great to see. In terms of meme coins, Bobo is a great meme coin, but again, the market doesn't care. Every altcoin in the market is just getting waxed. So nothing can hold support. This thing's been around for a year and 8 months. May 2023 it was created. Okay, it was down here at like a 1 mil market cap for a long time, exploded up here to, I believe, like 300 million, if I'm correct. Yeah, 225 mil, back all the way down to 36 million, and it's at the bottom of the chart from the summertime drop of 2024. All right, so if it can't hold this support level, it is coming down to sub 20 mil, right? Next level below this would be, it would be 25 to 20 million market cap actually, okay? Because we do have these wicks, we have these wicks actually at 25 mil market cap. There's a bit of a fair value gap going down to around 19. Okay, so from 25 to 19 mil market cap would be your level below current support, where price is currently at. But anyways, yeah, all these charts, they look the same. They're all in the gutter. They're all destroyed. And either the cycle is completely over or we're going to see some kind of crazy reversal and holders will get rewarded, or people who are buying now in this fear will get rewarded. So anyways, Bobo, current price, I mean, it's the lowest it's been from September 2024, so it's a good price in my opinion. But if it loses support, be looking for it to come down to 25 mil market cap. Now, Bobo Billions is the slogan, so this coin is expected by the diehard community to reach a market cap of at least 1 billion. I could see it going north of 500 million for sure. 1 billion is definitely possible given the correct market conditions and a proper altcoin season, where meme coins like this catch a bid again, and that needs Ethereum to do well and Bitcoin dominance to top out. So if the stars align, it will do great. Check it out. Bobo, not financial advice. Now let's go move on to the fifth coin of the video, the lowest market cap one we're going to talk about today, but it's not something new that was created yesterday. We got another OG. We got another OG meme coin here. And for this, we got Wojak. Wojak on Ethereum. So Wojak is currently trading for a 37 mil market cap. So actually, Bobo was ahead of it in market cap when I started recording this video, but given the current market fluctuations, Wojak is actually higher than Bobo now. Both are on the same level, 37, 36 million market cap. And Wojak, another original internet meme. You've all seen this guy before in memes or in videos, you know, making fun of people in crypto, losing and stuff like that. The miserable Wojak guy, nothing can go his way. This meme is OG, all right? Everyone knows the Wojak token, or the Wojak meme, I should say. And here is their X account, 52.6K followers, very well-known meme coin, has a lot of internet lore and history. And if we go look at this chart, you'll see, I'll show you here on CoinGecko actually, this thing goes back to April of 2023. So another one of these old meme coins from the bear market that has stuck around. And these are the ones that are probably going to do the best when Ethereum, another kind of legacy coin, begins to do well. So here's the chart. Like all altcoin charts, it's destroyed. It's at critical support down here from the lows in September. All right, so the low from September is actually at 28 million. So this thing can still drop a little bit lower. But here on the weekly time frame, I mean, this is a major drop, right? This is This is a 74%, 76% drop. Down here would be 80%. Okay, so I'll be looking for sub 30 million on Wojak. If you get sub 30 million market cap, not financial advice, but that is a great price to be buying this thing. And again, I see all of these coins I mentioned in the video giving multiples. I think the lower market cap ones like this, Bobo, even Apu at 100 million, right? Those are going to be probably the most bang for your buck. But they're all really super high risk, and you should not put a large percentage of your portfolio in any of these memes. I would treat them as asymmetric bets. However, there's potential here to make some solid gains. But Wojak, along with every coin we've looked at, along with every altcoin in the market at large, they're all getting smoked. Okay, so sentiment in the gutter. More likely than not, good times to load up if you have the means to do so. But yeah, I mean, I would look for this thing to... I mean, look, current price is good. If you see 30 million below, that would be great. And, I could see this going easily to, 300 to 500 million. So over 10x, potentially higher than that too. But these are 5 OG meme coins on ETH. And when ETH versus BTC ultimately reverses and Ethereum goes on to make a new all-time high, we're going to see these OG ETH meme coins perform. Hope you enjoyed this video. So in this video, we talked about the current market at large, how brutal the market conditions are currently for altcoins, how important it is for Bitcoin to hold above 100K. But yeah, in general, sentiment is in the gutter. And I mean, I don't even know if anybody's going to watch this video because there's nobody even wants to look at crypto anymore in general, right? You do notice the drop off in terms of people watching videos and interacting with content on crypto Twitter when prices are in the gutter like right now. And then they all come running back through the gates when the market reverses. So you can either stick around and look to take advantage when others are fearful, or you can stick your head in the sand and pretend it's not happening. But you guys know Crypto Empire. We will continue to bring it no matter what. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below. If you're new here to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Drop a comment what you thought about this video. What do you think about the current market in general? What do you think about these meme coins? Just let me know your thoughts in general. Drop a comment. I would love to hear what you guys are thinking given these current market conditions. Anyways, that's all from me today. My name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I'll see you in the next video.